3 steps to improve your relationships in the age of digital connections. We live in an era where digital connections are everywhere, but personal relationships remain the key to a happy and balanced life. If you feel that the quality of your relationships could be better, this video is for you. We'll explore 3 practical steps to strengthen your bonds with the people you love, whether it's with family, friends, or even at work. Watch until the end to discover how small changes can make a big difference in your daily connections. Communicate with clarity and empathy. Speak openly about your feelings and listen carefully to what the other person has to say. Clear and empathetic communication is the foundation of any strong relationship. Dedicate quality time. Set aside time to be truly present, whether it's through a conversation, a shared activity, or a simple moment of connection. Being present makes all the difference. Practice gratitude. Show appreciation for the little and big things. A simple thank you can strengthen bonds and make the other person feel valued and loved. Did you like these tips? Then don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with those who need these tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new content.